Hello everyone, today I will be explaining how the flash sort algorithm works. It works very similar to how the selection sort algorithm works, and yeah, just jump right in. So I started out with making instead of a 20 element long array, I started out with having 4 rows of, or I guess 4 rows of 5 columns. So we'll go ahead and start with the first element. So the way this flash sort works is it will take a look at the first element and it will swap it with the smallest element in the rest of the array. So we're going to go ahead and prioritize red before black. Alright, so it will look through everything and it'll look through it all, and eventually when it gets to the end of the array it will say, oh, the smallest one I saw was the red ace, so it's going to go ahead and swap it with the 9. Now we have one sorted element, and the next thing it's going to go and swap it with the 2 because it sees that that's the next sorted element, or that's the next smallest number. Then it'll just go ahead and swap the 3 with the 8, swap the ace with the 4. Let me go ahead and get that. Okay. Back to business. We'll go ahead and swap the 5 with the ace. Swap the 6 with the 9. Swap the 7 with the 10. Swap the 8 with the 8. Swap the 8 with the 9 down here. And it finds that 10 is actually the smallest element in the rest of the array, so it doesn't find a need to swap it with anything, so it stays itself. Now, throughout the rest of the array, the next smallest element is the A, so it swaps it with the 6. Next smallest element is the 2, so it swaps it with the 7. Then it finds that 3 is the next smallest element, 4 is the next smallest element. Finds that 6, it will be swapped with the 5, and next it finds that 6 is going to be swapped with the 10 because 6 is the next smallest element. Then we'll find that 7 needs to be swapped with the 8, and then 8 needs to be swapped with the 9, and then 9 needs to be swapped with the 10. Alright. And that is exactly how flash sort works. It actually works a lot better than selection sort because when you pass through every single array, you aren't creating a whole nother array to store every single lower number. You just swap the most recent index. For 7 example, when we had to swap 7 with something else, 7 might have been down here. We had to swap it to get up there. Instead of creating a whole new array to store all of the new smallest integer numbers, you can just swap it with other things in the array, so you basically save twice the storage in your memory, in your RAM, and whatnot. Alright, and yeah, I appreciate everyone watching. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.